Cloud Plans, your cloud planning service. Welcome to this new tutorial. Today, we'll dive into just how quick and effortless it is to set up a fully functional plan from scratch in less than 3 minutes. Prepare to wonder how you've managed without Cloud Plans all this time. Just log into Cloud Plans with your user data. Now we have to start creating the organization, as it is the biggest container for grouping plans, credentials, notifications, and your whole subscription. Just name the organization with a descriptive one. It's time to connect to your new organization. Once connected, you will see the organization name in different zones. Now let's create your first collaborator user. Explore the MFA options in the console and go ahead. Provide just the email, desired role and status. Role and status are editable at any time by administrators. After that, the newly added user will appear in the screen. The first resource in Cloud Plans is the credential. Every instance must be associated to one credential. Just click on Credentials and then add new one. Each provider has its own needs. AWS requires a remote role. Azure the Service Principals data, and Google Cloud also needs the remote project. Take it easy. When a new credential is added or one old is updated, we will check if it is ready for use. Please ensure you have your policies updated. It is possible to update some data of every credential at any moment. Explore the options. Now we are ready to start creating the plan. The process is simple. Go to Plans on the left side menu. There are no many options. Click on the plus button and review the form data required. Just type a name, zone, and select the days of the week, starting hour and duration. All these data can be edited. Easy. The schedule means when it is expected to have the resources on. No complex options. Start editing the plan as the resources will be grouped there. As can see, it is possible to add notifications to the plan. That means if the plan fails, Cloud Plans will notify you using the channel. Add new notification. After name the notification, for example, include one email and click on Create. Now we are ready for configuring it on the plan. Now we can see in the plan our notification. This global part should be saved separately. And now it is ready to start adding instances. It is time to go. Click on the plus icon to add the instance. As you can see, you have just 3 types as resources. Easy, select your and start filling the data. In this case, we have only credentials for the Google Cloud, so it will be our type now. No complex data, just select the credential and set a very basic info for identification. That's it. Now you are ready. You can explore the rest of the service, the actions history, messages from cloud plans in case of a service error, plan executions, billing, and more. Just visit the documentation zone or contact us with a support case.